Hello, it's Alex from the Archer and Olive Ambassador team, and today I'm going to explain and give examples of how to time block in your journal. I often break down my day into hourly blocks in order to help productivity. There are lots of ways that you can do this: horizontal, vertical, by day, and even in a pre-printed agenda. For the examples I'm going to show today, you just need some basic journal supplies. A ruler is always useful, and a pencil. I'm going to use the calligraphs because their brush nib acts like a highlighter, and I've chosen the lighter colours so that the fine liner will also work over the top. So what is time blocking? Well, it's creating a daily to-do list broken into chunks of time. This allows you to group similar tasks together and schedule them into a block of time. It helps productivity by focusing on individual tasks, avoids distractions, keeps workflow, allows you to manage your time wisely and batch tasks. It can also help you to evaluate the time spent on tasks and whether it could be better used elsewhere. Some common mistakes include underestimating your time. Make sure you allow extra. Keep some flexibility in your schedule and also create blocks for breaks, meals and self-care. It's useful to have a brainstorm about how you spend your time. Try to divide this into categories. Perhaps home, family, work, fun. Try to think of the colours that spring to mind when you think about these things that take up your time. And what time of day are you going to start and finish? Are you going to have timed blocks or morning, afternoon, evenings? Create your key somewhere you can easily refer to it. Choose your colours and label them with the categories. This example is a quick, easy horizontal bar which you could easily fit on a typical journal spread. Using the key, I've colour-coded this bar so I can see what I'm spending my time on that day. As a mum of 3, I find that I need to include the children, even the husband, in my key. Here I've broken down a busy day into time blocks. This will help with my productivity during the day. It also helps ensure that I've fitted in time for lunch, to get outside, and also time to relax at the end of the day. Time blocking over the course of a week can help you evaluate where you are spending your time. You may find that you're more productive at certain times of the day, or a particular day of the week suits a task better. Breaking a week down into chunks of time can really help to batch tasks or see where you have space to fit in hobbies. If hourly blocks of time are a little too rigid, try dividing your day into 3 sections: morning, afternoon and evening. This will still help productivity, but with a bit more flexibility. If you are short of space, a simple timeline with coloured bullet points may be all that's needed to help. If you are using a pre-printed planner, like this daily agenda from Archer and Olive, it doesn't mean that you can't use time blocking. There is still space to create a key and to break down your week into hourly blocks. Often, just the aesthetics of a colourful page will help me to get some tasks completed that otherwise might have got forgotten. I hope you found this useful. Please have a read of the blog article and use the printables in your own journal.